Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I'm standing in front of one beautiful 1967 El Camino. It's got a small block under the hood, beautiful paint job on it, and we're going to put it up in the air so you can check out the underside. We're going to look at the interior, we're going to look under the hood, we're going to look at the tailgate, we're going to look inside the bed. We're going to show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your El Camino investment. So come on up, let's fire this thing up. So let's check out this beautiful El Camino. I'll tell you what, this is like a gunmetal gray. It's got a light metallic in it. It is sprayed on there even, and it is beautiful. Love the big block hood on it. Everything's lined up nice and flush. See all those lines? All the moldings look good. All the stainless is in good shape. Door handle looks like it's probably been refinished. Door jambs are nice and clean and nicely painted. Rubber's in good shape. That upholstery on the seats looks good. Looks like we do have seat belts in the front there. Actually, there is no back to this, so there are seat belts. Carpeting looks great. The dash, all the chrome's in good shape. The lens on the gauge looks good. The entire truck is just beautiful inside and out. Headliner looks good. And then these moldings that go down on top of the bed. You know these got beat up because a lot of times guys use these trucks for work. Check out this gate. See how nice and easy that opened? And on these El Caminos, you always want to check the bottom side of the gates. These gates always rotted out. You see how nice and clean this is and how nice everything down in here is painted. It's nice and clean. And then they've put this black bed liner material on here so you can actually use the truck. If you want to throw your tent, your lawn chairs, your coolers, whatever you want to take out to the car show, the beach, wherever you're headed, that one's ready to go, guys. And look down the side of it. Look how nice and straight that paintwork is. This door operates nice as smooth as the driver's door does. Shuts nice and tight. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we spent the time to check this El Camino out before we bought it. Then when they come here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer any question you have about the car. So give us a call at 248-974-9513. Now let's go outside and drive this. All right, let's take our 67 El Camino for a ride. Small block under the hood, beautiful paint job. We're ready to go, guys. This thing is sweet. And Tom can tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway anywhere in the world. You just give him a call at 248-974-9513. Also, if you need financing on this El Camino, call him. We got 2 bankers we work with. They make it real easy. A phone call in about 15 minutes and this dream can be in your drive. Now she's driving nice and straight with no hands on the wheel, no problem whatsoever. The brakes feel good. The exhaust system sounds nice. The small block's running great. We'll get around the corner here. We'll take a look at the dash real quick. Just a fun little car/truck. I know I've probably called it a car and a truck about 9 times already. We got an aftermarket radio in here, it's working. Speedo's working. Now the dash is painted a bright blue, which really complements that gunmetal on the outside. Looks great. Horn's working. It's actually got a tilt column in it too. That's pretty rare, guys. 1967 right there. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we have about 225 cars in stock, and we're buying about 45 new cars every month. So please give us a call, check us out, follow us on YouTube. If you like the video, make sure you like it and share it on YouTube. Check us out on Facebook, look at our website often. You never know what kind of cool stuff we've got coming in. And if you're interested in this one, please call Tom right away, because these things go fast. Like I said, we're selling about 40 a month, so you never know what's gonna sell next. What a sweet ride we've got right here though. We're right outside the Motor City. We're only 20 minutes from the airport. Jump in your car. Heck, if you fly out here, we'll even come to the airport and pick you up. There's two Dreams getting ready to park in guys' driveways right now, just waiting on their covered transport. Now stick with us, because now's when we're gonna put it up in the air so we can show you how nice the bottom side is. Then we're gonna pop the hood and take a look at that small block. All right, we're underneath this 67 El Camino now, and she's nice and pretty under here. Brand new exhaust, 10 bolt, right around the 331 gear. It is an open rear end. You can see brand new Flowmaster mufflers, frame solid as a rock, rocker solid as a rock, floorboards look good, bed floor looks also good. Everything about the truck looks great. Now, it's been upgraded to a Turbo 400 trans. They did a real nice job moving the trans mount. They got a nice thick bar here where they've moved that trans mount back. Great job there. Disc brakes up front, drums in the back, and the guys will pull them all apart and make sure they're in good working order. Looks like new sway bar bushings. We got the 327 up front, small block Chev. Radiator's in good shape. Looks like it's aluminum core on the radiator. Got good looking chrome on the front bumper. Just a real sharp truck underneath, guys. Let's look at those wheels and tires. Up front, we got some American Racing rims with good looking chrome and 225/70/15 on some Cooper Cobras. Paintwork right down here to the bottom edge is beautiful. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here, let's see, 225/70/15s too, and again, the rims look great and the paintwork is beautiful. Let's get under the hood. All right, we're under the hood now. It's got this 68 casting on the 327. Looks like a brand new intake and carb on there, 600 CFM Edelbrock. Looks like a brand new power booster, master cylinders all cleaned up. It does have power steering. Bottom side of the hood's nicely painted, firewall's nicely painted. Just a great looking truck underneath the hood, guys. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.